Hello everybody, are you ready for some phonics today? Amazing, let's go. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Oh, it's not p, 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 it's p, p, p. Fantastic. I've got some pictures here. I'm going to look at them and think about the first sound. My turn, your turn. Monkey. Mountains. Mouse. Milk. Man. Well done. Did you hear that first sound? Let's do it again and bounce the first sound. My turn, your turn. Monkey. Mountains. Mouse. Milk. Man. Well done. Did you hear that first sound in milk, man, monkey? Did you say the sound? You are right, it is the sound. Would you like to have a look? I have it here. Are you ready? Be steady. Oh, I can hear some children going, ma. It's not ma, it's Well done. Okay, we are going to do some blending. So wake up your blending arms. Are you ready for your first word? It is mat. Mat. Fantastic. And man. Well done. And last one. Mad. Mad. Can you show me your mad face? Well done. Okay, you are going to be the robot. So show me your robot arms. Put in some new batteries for today. Wake them, shake them up. Your first word is mug. Mug. Fantastic. And your next one is mud. Mud. Okay, and your last word is mop. Up. Mop. Amazing. Can you remember the sound we're looking at today? It is the sound. Very good. We're going to read some words with the sound in them. When we read, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, we. Very good. Okay, are you ready? You're looking carefully. Sit up straight. Looking. Lovely. Off we go. Man. Well done. Man. Fantastic. And your next word. Looking carefully. map. Fantastic. Map. Map. And your next word. Mat. At. Mat. And your last word. Pam. This is a big capital P. So Pam. That means it's somebody's name. Should we say hello, Pam? Hello, Pam. Fantastic. Okay, shall we flash them? Are you ready? Man. Map. Mat. Map. Mat. Pam. Man. Pam. Man. Map. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to practice writing our sound today, and our sound is Well done. So get yourselves a pen or a pencil and something to write with. I've got my board and I've got my pen. To help us with our writing of the sound, we have this picture. We have Maisie, mountain, mountain. Let's practice together. Off we go. Maisie, mountain, mountain. With a lovely flick at the end. Beautiful. And then a finger space. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Lovely. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Oh, I can see some children drawing Maisie and then doing a mountain and a mountain. That's not how we do our sound. We keep our pen on the paper, on the board, and we go Maisie, mountain, mountain. Lovely. Keep practicing. And what sound are you writing? Very good. Okay, we are going to write some words. When we write words, what do? The word, say the word, say the word. Robot, the word. Write the word. Everyone, we. Well done. Okay, robot arms ready. The first word that we are going to write is mat. Off we go. And writing it down. Have you written it? Are you ready to show? In 3, 2, 1. Mat, mat, mat. And remember, we always start on this side of the page of the board and we always write towards the sun. Amazing. Okay, are you ready for your next word? Are you ready? Are you steady? Your word is map. And writing it down. Shall I give you a few more seconds? Okay, showing your word in 3, 2, 1. Map, map, map. Amazing. Well done. And the sound we were learning today was the sound. Fantastic. You have done such amazing phonics today. I think you should give yourselves a big round of applause. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Well Well done. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.